Alright.
Editing, take one.
We never say that.
I know.
The whole problem with great editing is, when you do it right, people won't even notice it's been done. It becomes a seamless viewing experience.
And that's basically what editing is. Take the raw materials of your shoot and turn it into the thing that matches your expectations, or hopefully better.
The bad news is we've spent ages trawling the internet trying to find a great DIY system that you can edit your business video on just using your phone or your tablet. Unfortunately, we realised that if you want to do this properly, none of these apps are good enough.
Okay, we'll add a caveat. They're good enough if you're making one video. But if you need to make a lot of video, i.e. batching your content, then you're going to run into some limitations pretty quick. In short, good editing is about timing, and you just can't get the kind of timing and accuracy you need with these fiddly little apps. You need proper software.
The good news is there's some free software out there for Mac and PC, iMovie and Windows Movie Maker, and this will allow you to do basic editing that makes your videos work.
The bad news is when you first open these platforms, they look like the cockpit of an A380.
But fear not, you'll learn these pretty quick. There's some great tutorials out there online to help you, and it will pay off dividends when you do.
So in this series of making your own DIY business videos, we are going to be showing you some of the principles of editing. And then we're going to make sure you get some links to tutorials, and finally a step-by-step tutorial on how to edit what we call a film booth, the most basic style of filming you can make.
Want to come across as a confident and energetic presenter? Then you're going to need PANTO mode! So why do it? Well, some people are worried about looking a bit cheesy on camera. So when they perform PANTO mode and then we show it to them, they realise it's actually very hard to look over the top. So why does PANTO mode work? Well, the camera is going to suck the life out of you. Let's assume it sucks 20% of you out. That means you need to give 120% of your personality to come across as normal. But don't worry, the goal of this isn't to make you look stupid. If you go up to 180% and it's a little bit too much, your director will work out a way to help you turn it down a little bit. Without your personality shining through, business video just really doesn't work. So it's crucial that you have a version of you that your viewer loves.